Well, hello everybody, and welcome. You're just in time for an adventure. So, taking my son right there.
Hi.
We're actually heading up to Branson, Missouri, via from Louisiana. And of course, we're coming through Mississippi. And I did not realize this, and I forgot. The site of the infamous plane crash of Lynyrd Skynyrd. It's actually just outside of the border between Louisiana and Mississippi. And, well, Josh, well, y'all, here we are. My boy's sitting there making sure everybody knows. All I saw was a tree toss. Billy Powell, keyboardist for Lynyrd Skynyrd. This gives and you can pause so that way you can read this. It gives very interesting detail on the plane crash itself. This, of course, on the rise of the band, and a little bit more information about the plane crash itself. And this, of course, is a reunion and legacy where some of the band members that survived and some of their family actually got together. They have a nice memorial out here for them. Apparently the plane crashed actually just not very far out that way. They even have a passenger list for the plane crash, October 20th, 1977, in which case, unfortunately, most of the band did, of course, perish. And on the backside, I didn't know this until he actually showed me, but they actually have these great pictures back here of the band members who died and the actual plane that unfortunately led to their demise. It's a sad thing, and I think what we'll do today is record on the memorial just for them. And on the way out, I think we'll play a little Sweet Home Alabama. All right, buddy, you ready? Let's get going. All right, guys, well, next up, Jackson, Mississippi.